case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Once the doors of Great Lakes, a prominent company, shut on Reed only to open him to a court case that hinges on intriguing aspects of religion and employment dynamics. Fired on grounds of insubordination for not attending a religious meeting, Reed charged his former employer of religious discrimination, plunging the matter deep into the ambit of Title VII, the law that prohibits workplace discrimination on the basis of religion. Ironically, Reed himself chose not to reveal his religious leanings when the gavel first came down on his allegation in a lower court. Missed was his chance to create an underpinning to his claims. This cloistered his religious identity, and the court didn't uncover any evidence suggesting Reed was dismissed stemming from his religious beliefs or practices, thus marking a loss in his assertions of intentional religious discrimination. Despite this, Title VII underscored the necessity for employers to respect religious boundaries, giving Reed a glimmer of hope. But even here there was a catch. The law ordered a balancing act, the employee's religious needs versus potential hardship to the employer. The court couldn't deduce if telling Reed to attend a meeting where Gideons prayed conflicted with his religious or anti-religious beliefs. This ambiguous act sank his chances of an accommodation and boosted Great Lakes' contention that they would have done so if they knew more about his faith. Hence, favor fell on Great Lakes. The court accepted their argument that there was no discrimination and that Reed failed to provide information that could have prompted a suitable religious accommodation. Interestingly, the court cast aside the sanctions on Reed for the frivolous claim and suggested the matter may need re-evaluation, citing potential psychological issues. The journey, termed frivolous or unbalanced, seemed to stir the right spikes as Reed appealed the lower court's verdict. Yet ultimate justice agreed with Great Lakes. The Court of Appeals affirmed the summary judgment, indicating a dual defeat for Reed. He fell short in proving religious discrimination and establishing lack of religious accommodation. His sanctions for the frivolous claim returned to the judge for reconsideration, marking the end of a case that sketched more questions than answers on the canvas of legal conflicts between religious beliefs and workplace requirements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.